Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Black Lake, a charming area in Thetford Mines, Quebec. This place has a rich history and beautiful sights that make it truly special. Black Lake used to be its own town until 2001, when it merged with Thetford Mines and a few other nearby communities to form the larger city we know today. Back then, about 4,000 people lived in Black Lake. Now, it's a neighborhood within Thetford Mines, which has a population of around 27,000 people. This area is known for its mining history, especially asbestos mining. The Black Lake Mine, also called the Lake Asbestos Mine, was once one of the biggest asbestos producers in the Western world. The mining activities shaped the landscape, and one of the old pits has filled with water over time, creating a stunning turquoise lake. Black Lake is a place where history and nature come together. It's a reminder of the past and a symbol of how communities can grow and adapt over time. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or just looking for a beautiful place to visit, Black Lake has something to offer.
Thanks for watching!